you need me to do today? Leave early? Oh, sure, I can definitely do that. You got it. Alrighty. Alright, bye now. Well, I'm out of here after we shoot this next episode. Today we're getting into the Beyerdynamic Space Speakerphone, your office place solution for clear sound when you're conducting meetings with remote coworkers. How's it going, everyone? I'm Devin Howard, on Instagram as @DevinHoward and on TikTok as @DevinNHoward. Welcome back to another episode of Unbox This. Today we're unboxing something a little different from Beyerdynamic, the Space Speakerphone. This wireless speakerphone applies the same sound quality you'd expect from a Beyerdynamic product and combines it with innovative microphone technology and a loudspeaker system. It's perfect for meetings and presentations in the workspace. Okay guys, let's get into it. It is time to unbox this. Let's break this speakerphone out of the box. So here's a little information pamphlet for the Space Personal Speakerphone. And then here we have it. So this is the speakerphone itself. As you can see, there are some buttons here. Pretty easy to tell what they do. I like that it's just pretty clear. It seems like this wouldn't be very complicated to use or set up. We also have the cord here. This is a USB-C cord. And you also get an adapter. If you plan on taking your speakerphone from place to place, you have this carrying pouch that they provide for you. And this is your quick start guide. And that's everything that comes in the box, so let's set this on up and we'll talk about it. Beyerdynamic Space Speakerphone is a hands-free solution for people in an office environment. It combines all the features you'd need to conduct a meeting or give a presentation. The innovative microphone technology provides the best speech intelligibility, while the high-quality loudspeaker system gives everyone the chance to hear what's happening in the meeting. It also has best-in-class echo cancellation, keeping your dialogue clear. But if you don't plan on using your speakerphone to conduct business, it can also work well with music. Let's get those office playlists going, you guys! With this wireless device, you won't have to strain to hear someone mumbling over an old phone on speaker or through weak laptop speakers. Since it isn't connected via wire, you're also free to move around. I know I tend to be a pacer when I'm in a creative brainstorm session, and I like that the Space Speakerphone doesn't require that I stand still in one place. It's also equipped with other top-tier features like anti-theft protection through the Kensington Lock, Bluetooth, or USB connectivity. The LED light panel right here is intuitive to operate. It's not complicated to get this up and running. It's compatible with a wide range of platforms like Teams and Zoom, which makes it easy to bring this into your office. It has an IP64 rating, meaning it can handle some water splash. I'm not sure what kinds of meetings you guys have where water is splashing around, but hey, invite me next time because that sounds kind of fun. But in all seriousness, if a cup of water or coffee gets spilled in a meeting, your Space Speakerphone won't be doomed. This device is sleek and super functional, and since it's coming from such a well-known audio company, you can expect high-quality performance. If you want to add one of these to your work setup, click the link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell. I'm Devin Howard, thanks for watching, and we just unboxed this. Bye guys!